New Year's Eve this year was very different to previous years, connecting up the whole of London together to give a better view of the fireworks. In total, there was about 7 sites were connected together. The Shard, Tower Bridge, Docklands and Central London. We placed our Motorola wide area comm system, so all the users at all the locations talk to each other. Show callers, drone pilots, laser operators could talk to another member of their team in Central London or in Wembley. The main challenges really were the compressed timescale, rigging all the multiple sites in a 3-day window. COVID social distancing for crew to then work within also created further constraints for us. And additionally to that as well, we had to keep the surprise of the event happening away from all of the general public, so nobody knew exactly what was coming.